So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a zigzag shape. I don't know if that's the proper name for the shape, but I can't really think of anything else to call it. And I'm going to be using a 24-piece Rubik's twist. So you need to start off by holding the snake like this so the slope is going that way. And 1, 2, we turn this one towards us and then we turn it down. And then 1, 2, 3, this one we turn towards us and then we turn it up. And then 1, 2, 3, this one we turn towards us and then we turn it down. And then 1, 2, 3, this one we turn towards us and then we turn it up. 1, 2, 3, we turn this one towards us and then down. And then 1, 2, 3, this one we turn away from us. And then 1, 2, this one we turn upwards and then over to the left. So now we turn the snake around like this, and 1, 2, this one we turn upwards like that, and then 1, 2, 3, this one we turn towards us and then down, and 1, 2, 3, this one we turn towards us and then we turn it up, and 1, 2, 3, this one we turn towards us and we turn it down, and then 1, 2, 3, this one we turn towards us and then we turn it up. Okay, so we've basically run out of snake there, so this end piece, turn it towards you and then turn it to the left like that. And now 1, 2, this piece, turn it towards you. And there you go, so there is your zigzag shape. It's quite a nice shape actually, I think. And it's very easy to make. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching.